We're introducing the Sun, and the Sun is our August taro tea. I am most excited about this tea because it is filled with magic from nature. The main ingredient in the Sun tea is a holly bush. It's called Yaupon. It is a slightly caffeinated adaptogen, and it was used for centuries by the Native Americans as a purification tea and as a way to create ceremony and ritual. Apples, turmeric, moringa, pineapple, coconut extracts, and nutmeg. It puts you in a really good mood. Yaupon is not only got a little bit of caffeine, filled with antioxidants and polyphenols, but it also has theobromine in it, which is also found in tea leaves. I added moringa to it. And moringa, if you didn't know, is unusually high in protein for a plant, and it contains all 9 amino acids. So it's a great vegan protein source. It's also really good for women going through menopause. It's very high in iron. It's very high in A, C, and E. Great for eyesight, great for skin, great for hair and nails, great for moods, great for immunity. This tea also is the color of, da-da-da, the sun. Here's to your health.